Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit Microsoft Forms. All right, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to forms.microsoft.com, hit enter, and wait for the website to load. All right. Now, once you're in here, you're gonna want to make sure to sign in right here at the top right. Click on it, and the website will automatically load. Now, once you're in here, you will be able to see your recent forms right here and the forms that is shared with you. Now, to go ahead and edit a form, just go ahead and go to recent or my forms. Then let's say, for example, I'm going to edit this one, which I have created recently with a video that I made. Make sure to check that video out, which is how to create a survey in Microsoft Forms. All right. Now, let's go ahead and click on this one right here. Now to edit, just go ahead and click on the section. For example, I'm going to change the survey name. All right. Revision. Hit on a blank space on your screen. And description 2. Hit on a blank space. All right. As you can see. Now to edit one of your questions, just go ahead and click on the full question right here. And as you can see, what's your full name? You can go ahead and enter some text right here or delete the whole question. All right. Say, for example, what's your age? You can go ahead and use this one right here, long answer, short answer. You can also delete this question right here by clicking on the delete button, or you can go ahead and click on insert image or insert video. All right, for example, we're going to want to insert an image right here. You can use Bing search right here if you want to. For example, age photo. All right, as you can see, there are a ton of search results right here. Let's say, for example, we want to add this one. All right, hit on add. As you can see, it will load. Now, when we check our Google Forms in here in present, all right, and when we open up the link right here, all right, as you can see, the photo has been added as well. And here, I have already added a picture besides my title. And as you can see here in my title, right? That's basically it. That's how you edit your Microsoft Forms. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.